Good day. My name is Joakim Strand. I'm member of parliament and a member of the Commerce Committee, and I have the possibility today to talk a bit about industrial policy, about research and development initiatives that we have now in the government, and I also try to explain how Finland can cope with this global competition we now have, especially when it comes to industrial investments connected to clean energy within hydrogen, within the battery value chain, and also how the existing industry can develop and can grow and can be able to focus more of also their global activities to Finland. And I think one key point here is that we need to be able also to strengthen and to innovate within the supply chains. Also, of course, this has to do with artificial intelligence, the handling of data, how we create value together with our customers and other partners. And I think that is maybe one of the biggest opportunities for Finland and for the existing industry here is to be able to innovate and create more value within the supply chains. And I'm 100% sure that that will also help us to attract more investments to Finland and to have global players concentrating their research and development activities to Finland. That's maybe the most important thing when we think about the future of this country.